Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison with Be Shifted. Today we are going to learn about polishing chrome. Right here, you can see that somebody tried to come in here with some sort of orbital sander or something like that. And I mean, it's all scratched up. It looks pretty bad. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. The way that I'm going to go for is the sandpaper polish method. And I'll let you know what grits I'm using and how it's going. We'll set up the time lapse. 600 grit. Switching to 800. Here's 1000. All right, now I am taking a cotton ball and some polish, some metal polish obviously, and I'm just going to make tiny circles. All right, now I'm taking an old piece of t-shirt, just going to wipe off the excess, and then we're going to come in and give it a nice little buff. You can come back with some quick detailer if you want, get the excess. But for me, that's good enough. So, right like that. And now for the great reveal. All right, so got most of our scratches out. As you can see, where I had the tape, it's still pretty bad as far as reflectivity goes. But I mean, here it's like a mirror. So, and I mean, if I could get you closer without making it obnoxious, you would be able to see there are still some scratches in here. I didn't want to go so low in grit that I started taking off the chrome, because this is chrome plated. And the last thing I want to do is have to is burn through my chrome and then have to go get everything re-chromed. So there's another option. You can just take quad zip steel wool and come in here and rub it like that. You know, make sure, basically you're trying to make sure all your scratches start going the same way as far as the light is concerned. And then once you feel like all of your scratches are going the same way, and quad zip is such a fine steel wool that any metal polish you come in afterwards is going to come out just like this. But what I ended up doing was taking 400 grit, 600 grit, 800, 1000, 1500, 2000 grit, and then I came in with a metal polish. Takes a little bit longer than the steel wool method, but honestly, I mean, I'm happy with these results. You can see it's much better. You can still see some scratches, but from 10 feet or even just a couple feet, you cannot see the scratches, and it looks really good. So feel free to like, subscribe, share, and thank you for spending some time with me. Have a good one. Please hit like.